Okay, so this is the control panel for the powder unit. So up here it's got PV, which is present value, so it's just the current temperature for the guide plate and the dryer. So if you hold it down, it then sets it and it'll start heating up. Okay. If you just press it, it'll start flashing, and then if you go up and down, you can then change the temperature. Okay. So let's hold that one down. It'll beep, and then you know it's changed over and it's turned on. Okay. Same with the shaker. So any of them that come up with a double dash, you've got to hold it down to activate it. Okay. So if we hold that down, it beeps, and now the shaker's going. Okay. And that's because we're also in manual mode. When you're in auto, the sensor is going to trigger everything. Okay. Cooler. That's just your cooling fans at the back. Never turn that off, just always leave that one on. Okay. Powder. So the motor goes in multiple directions. It doesn't matter which way the powder motor goes, because you can press it again and it'll go in the other direction, and then press it once more to turn it off. Okay. Suction. So that's front. That's your suction here. So when you're loading your media on there, you'll have the front one on, and then once your media's gone out the back, press it again, turns the front off, turns the back on. Okay. Then you press it once more, both, which you never really need. Okay. And then turns it off. Okay. So it cycles through how you want to feed the media. That's helpful. Okay. Next one is conveyor belt. Now we just turn that on. There we go. It will go in reverse, but you don't need it to go in reverse. It's just a feature. Okay. If you press that, it will start flashing, and you can change the speed. 3 is normally fine. Powder speed is normally 10. Okay, it can't go up anymore. That's max. Okay. So then we have auto. Okay. So now everything will be triggered by that sensor. If you don't have the belt on in auto mode, it's not actually going to go. So you've got to make sure that that's actually selected in order for it to work. So if you ever load your meter in there and wonder why your belt's not going on auto mode, always just check that that's on. Okay. And yeah, now the shaker's stopped, even though it's on, because we're in auto mode. It's not going to go until we trigger that sensor. Okay.